everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandria. Welcome. We're here with a new video. How you guys doing? A little quick intro who I am. I am a beauty creator here on YouTube, and I also have a fashion blog that I will put the name right here on the screen, that I talk about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle over there. And I do post different videos over on Instagram. If you're interested of watching, I will go ahead and link everything below. But today we're working on a new look. It's right here, and we're using a palette that I picked up off a Facebook seller. She if you guys don't know, Facebook does have a lot of sellers that sell brand new palettes from different companies. So I end up picking up this palette and another palette from her, and this is the one we're using today. It's called Leopardina. It has 12 shades, 4 highlighters right here. Really nice packaging. I really did like the shadows when I saw it, and I really was impressed when I'm using them today on my eye. So right here, let me open it. Almost slipped out of my hands. So it has a good size mirror, which was very helpful because then I didn't have to grab my like mini compact to kind of use it to create these eyeshadows. But very beautiful, very neutral colors. Good for transitioning to day and night. So I really do like, I like the shadows. The color story is on this one. So you have right here is 4 shimmers, and the rest are matted shades. And like I said, there are 4 highlighters right here on the bottom of the palette. So today is just a very simple look. I only created one look with this eyeshadow. As usually, I do multiples up to 4, but just today we're just working on one. I just wanted to make it a very quick, simple look, just still in these fall vibes that we're still getting and everything. So a little quick thing, because I know on my last video you guys saw me with green hair. I did a quick color change on my hair. I still have green. It has right here because I did get a lot of people on my Instagram, if you're not following me there, telling me to go back to green, but I still have dark green right here. We just added more purples into the hair. Just I wanted to change, so I definitely did tell everybody I will write about it, so I will definitely share that in upcoming posts. And I also wrote a new blog post that I will link below for you guys to read. It's all about fall fashion and some trends that I think are really good for anybody to want to go ahead and try, or probably you have in your closet now. So I will link that below if you want to check that out. So I'm gonna stop with the talking, but go ahead, if you have this palette or similar shades, go ahead and grab them, and let's jump into the tutorial and create this look together. All right, see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Love. If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, 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 breathe slow.